Have you ever wondered what it takes to live a life of luxury? In this video, we're going to explore the world of mansions and compare the extravagant lifestyles of the old money and new money elite. We'll delve into the architectural styles, design features, and lavish amenities that set these mansions apart. From historic estates to modern marvels, we'll compare the costs, maintenance requirements, and overall lifestyle associated with each. New money mansions. New money mansions are often characterized by their flashy and ostentatious designs. They may feature extravagant details like gold-plated fixtures, marble floors, and elaborate landscaping. These mansions are often located in prestigious neighborhoods and may include state-of-the-art amenities like home theaters, swimming pools, and private gyms. The cost of building and maintaining a new money mansion can be astronomical. These properties often require significant ongoing expenses for upkeep and maintenance. While new money mansions may be impressive, they can sometimes lack the history and character of old money estates. For example, the Palazzo Versace Dubai is a stunning example of a new money mansion. This opulent estate is a replica of the famous Palazzo Versace Hotel in Italy, featuring intricate gold leaf detailing, marble floors, and a stunning outdoor pool. Another notable example is the Manor in Beverly Hills, known for its extravagant features, including a bowling alley, a tennis court, and a wine cellar. Old money mansions. Old money mansions are often more understated and elegant than their new money counterparts. They may feature classic architectural styles like Georgian or Victorian. These mansions are often filled with antiques, heirlooms, and unique pieces of art. They may also have extensive libraries and gardens. While old money mansions may not have the same level of flashy extravagance as new money estates, they often have a rich history and cultural significance. The cost of owning an old money mansion can be high, but it's often considered a valuable investment. These properties can appreciate in value over time and may even become family heirlooms. For instance, Blenheim Palace, England, is a historic estate that exemplifies the grandeur of old money mansions. As the birthplace of Winston Churchill, it's renowned for its stunning gardens and Baroque architecture. Another classic example is The Breakers, Newport, Rhode Island, a Gilded Age masterpiece featuring Italian Renaissance architecture and ornate details. Both old money and new money mansions offer unique and luxurious lifestyles. While new money mansions may be more flashy and ostentatious, old money estates often have a rich history and cultural significance. Ultimately, the best type of mansion for you depends on your personal preferences and lifestyle. Want to learn more about luxury real estate and lifestyle? Subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring content. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.